Hello crafty friends, it's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and thanks for stopping by today. As I mentioned yesterday in my video for the 10,000 Reasons Hop, I am back today to share with you how I created this quick, easy, economical birthday card, calendar, and holder. Now, this was for I Am Mama 24's 10,000 Reasons blog hop and giveaway. You can go to yesterday's video, find out about all the prizes, how you can play along, and then get just a quick look at what I created. But it is so awesome. She has so many sponsors that every channel on the hop, there is a prize from that channel. You still have time to enter, so you can visit again the video from yesterday on my channel, and then I will also link I Am Mama 24's channel in the description box below. So go check that out and find out exactly how you can be entered to win. Now, I also mentioned yesterday that I would have a freebie for all of my viewers in my video today. And I will tell you at the end of this video how you can get a freebie. It's a free printable to help you create your very own birthday card holder / calendar binder. Before I get started with the tutorial or the process video, I thought I would show you again quickly what my binder looks like. This is just a half-size binder that you can get at Walmart. I think this cost around $6, so not too bad. On the inside, I have created 6 double-sided pockets, and on each of those, I have a calendar. So January here, I have 31 slots, and you would write your special days, and then when you buy your card or make your card for that occasion, they just slip right in the pocket. For instance, in February, I have put in a handmade card, so they're a little bit smaller, but this also is going to fit cards that you would buy at a store. And you would just write in each month the special occasions. If you wanted to, in the back, you could create a 7th pocket, and you could maybe put cards that were from different occasions that don't fall on the same date every year. The reason I chose this binder is I wanted to make it easy for viewers to recreate. I do have a bind it all, and I was going to actually make this with my bind it all, but then I started to think, you know what, not everybody has those, but most crafters would have access to pattern paper, a hole punch, and Walmart, or a place where they could buy one of these binders. And to make it even easier for you to recreate this at home, I will be sharing a free printable of the calendars that are at the bottom of each pocket. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video to find out how you can get that. I think if you're ready, that I'm ready to show you how I made this binder. I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking over the process video. I will kind of mention dimensions, but if you have any questions that I don't answer in the voiceover, please make sure to leave those below, and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. Here we go. To recreate this at home, you'll need to print off the file I provide at the end of this video and get yourself one of the half-size binders. I got this one at Walmart, but I did just see today at the Dollar Tree they do sell this size. It just doesn't have the pocket in the front. You'll see there the chipboard hole punch template that I created, and then for my papers I used a die cut with a view, the confetti stack. This paper is a little bit thicker, more like cardstock, and I'm hoping that will help it hold up better in the long run. The first thing you're going to do is score 4 inches from the bottom of each of your pattern papers. This will eventually be folded up to create the pocket for the cards. If you do not have some sort of scoring tool, you could probably just mark where the 4 inches would be and fold it by hand. Speaking of folding, The next step is to go ahead and create each one of your inner pages. You do this by folding up the bottom 4 inches and then folding it backward in half, so your final pages are 6 inches wide by 8 inches tall. Once all of your pages are folded, you're going to go ahead and add the adhesive. You will put adhesive on the bottom, the top, and then along the side, but you'll want to leave room for your hole punching. So here you'll see my adhesive does not go right to the edge. I've left room so my hole punch is not hitting adhesive. And now it is time to cut down the calendars. I printed mine on a nice heavy white paper, and you'll notice at the bottom of the file I have put cutting instructions. But what you'll do is cut 3.5 inches off the top, 3.5 inches down from that, and then you will cut each of those strips in half to be 5.5 inches wide by 3.5 inches tall. A couple things that you could choose to do with yours is if you wanted to mat each of the calendars with a colored paper, or if you wanted to print your calendars on cardstock. I did not mat or print on cardstock just to save thickness in the binder. I wanted to have room to be able to put my cards in there. Before I start adhering my calendars down, I wanted to get my papers in an order that I liked. So once I had done that, I just started gluing down from January through December. Once everything was glued down, I just verified all the months were in the correct order, and I used my chipboard punching template to punch each one of those, and then I will put them in the binder. Now that the inside is done, it is time to decorate the cover. I used that same die cuts with a view paper pad. I pulled out some cut aparts and some scraps, and I just quickly decorated an insert to go inside of the sleeve on the front. This ended up being 6.5 inches wide by 8 3/4 inches tall. Once everything is decorated, you can start writing down your special dates and then start making cards to send out on those. Wasn't that so quick and easy? I hope that you'll be inspired to make one for yourself, and to make it easier, I am going to give each of my viewers access to this free printable so you can make your own. All you need to do to get your free calendar printable is click on the Google Drive link in the description box below, and that will take you to a place where you can download the file. Now, a few things that I do want to point out: I am giving you this file free of charge. I don't mind if you make stuff and resell it using this file, but please do not sell the file itself. When you print your calendar, make sure to print it at 100% full size, no scaling, and that's the way that you're going to get it to cut it correctly. Each of these calendars is 3.5 by 5.5, and if it reduces any on your printer, it's not going to turn out right for your final project. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. As always, if you did, I appreciate a thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber already and today's video inspired you to be a subscriber, I hope that you'll click on that subscribe button below. And to my regular viewers and subscribers, thanks again for stopping back by. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.